What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? How you guys doing? Today, we are on our way home, but I decided to take this thing for a spin the long way. Here, hopefully we can get past these cars and have a little bit of fun, and let's just enjoy ourselves because it's a beautiful day and this road's amazing. It happened to have some new tires. I think they're Q3s, and I figured, you know what, it actually handles really well, so I might as well, while I have it, take it out. Look at that, that is beautiful. I should stop there. I might as well take it out for a little spin. So the past few days I've actually been riding this thing to work, and yeah, it's a little bit interesting. Just because the way that it's set up, having to have the engine rev so high the entire way, it's kind of, I don't want to say obnoxious because it's actually not too loud, but it's just different, you know what I mean? You just feel like you're doing something wrong. And it actually does pretty good on gas, which I'm surprised. I was always worried, like, you know, keeping it rev so high for so long, like that I would run out of gas. That's a church right there, man. They spent a lot of money on that thing. It's more like a compound, really. One of the main reasons why I actually decided beyond taking this out for some Twisties to go this route is because it's the end of the month and we're getting into the beginning of the month, and there are tons of cops out, and being that this doesn't have any license plates on it, it's in the back, or any blinkers, I figured I'd come out this way because I don't think I've seen any cops out here. Maybe once, but it's super rare to see any cops out here. So I figured, why not go this route? It's pretty cool, and it's beautiful weather for it. So all the vineyards are out here. It's pretty awesome. They're all gonna go left. Watch. That's the problem. What is going on? I wonder why everyone came this way. Look at that. I just want to get in front of this truck. Maybe he'll let me. Or maybe he'll turn. There we go. If you didn't know this road, this would suck because it comes to a dead end or a stop sign right in a blind turn. If you were hauling ass around this corner, it would not be fun. Oh, come on. Thank you, sir. Adobe house, Adobo, or whatever it's called. Here we go. And there's a car up there. Come on. Of course. This fucking blue car. Try to hang back a bit. I should have stayed up with him. I could have probably passed him. Well, that's cool. I wasn't expecting that. That's pretty cool of him. There's a lot of traffic up here. Normally there's like none of this. This is kind of interesting. I'm curious why so much traffic. One always freaks me out because it's like a drop into like an S-pin. And then because of gearing, one of the things is you can't like power out instantly like with a normal gearing. When you come around a corner, you can't power out of it. It's got like a, not a lag, but the power's not there. Don't stop. No need, it's just a small turn. Don't stop believing. Just roll on through, buddy. You guys want to get your taxes done out here? Out in the middle of nowhere? Taxes? No? Okay. Oh, kick up dirt? I don't mind that. No, not a problem with that. Just throw that in my face. Maybe if we didn't have any cars in front of us, this would have been a little bit funner. It doesn't seem like that much, but once you're like, when you got a little bit more speed, it's a little more fun. Well, just wanted to make a quick video taking a stunt bike through some canyons. Unfortunately, we had cars the whole way through. More than usual. Normally I don't hit that many cars going through. Lots of houses. Was that a pony? I totally want a pony. Yeah, normally we don't hit this many cars coming through here. But like I said, the main reason why I came through was, one, I wanted to take this out. And two, there's like almost no cops out here. Ah, couldn't lock at the rear. Come on. I can't get this thing to come up. If you had a dirt bike, this would be the best place to go. Look at that. Crazy. Anyways, like I said, I really just wanted to take this bike out and have a little bit of fun. Trying to avoid all the cops out here. I think I have her one more day tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. I should be getting my bike back tomorrow, and we'll make a whole video out of that, and I cannot wait to see it. It's gonna look so fucking fire. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, night, whatever time it is that you guys are watching this. Enjoy yourself, ride safe, deuces.